have you ever found it difficult to face a new environment? So facing a new environment happens when we transition from school to industry, have a new job, or even switch to a different department within the same company. The ability to quickly adapt to those situations can have a great impact on future successes. Today, I'm going to go over 3 quick but hopefully useful tips. As a beginner, we usually suffer from a lack of useful and important information, and we are always confused about where we need to go and what we need to avoid. An effective way, from my experience, is to find a mentor. He or she should be a role model that the mentee wants to be. My mentor helped me a lot. He helped me familiarize myself with the company, introduced me to my colleagues, and most importantly, told me the key factors about my future career successes. Those key factors might include the important information you may want to collect in your field. It may also contain the critical skill set you may want to develop for your future successes. I'm still very grateful for all the experience, knowledge, and the lessons he taught me. And the second suggestion I want to give out today is to highlight and reinforce your work findings by using data. We should emphasize our work findings instead of putting too much effort to merely showcase our working process. Remember this: in an outcome-oriented culture, numbers always speak louder than words. The data helps our audience to understand our work quickly and evaluate our work effectively. So the project I was working on during my internship was to conceptually design a wind turbine. There were 3 critical measurements that are closely related to my project's cost and risk. My supervisor never showed too much interest in knowing my methodology. Instead, most of the questions he asked are about the 3 measurements and the associated cost and risk. Knowing that, I started to adjust my thinking into this kind of working style. After I had that adjustment, my discussion and the meetings with my supervisor went more smoothly and more effectively. During your project, constantly quantify your progress by recording your objective data. And at the completion of your project, show what has been done by visualizing your objective data. And the last tip I want to give out today is always be prepared for instant challenges. Instant challenge are situations where you are required to provide the update of your work without much or any warning. So, instant challenge happens when your supervisor walks into your office and asks what you've done today. They come at random and leave you feeling momentarily unprepared. So, to wrap it up, today I talk about 3 practical tips that can make your transition to a new workplace easier. First, finding a mentor helps you explore the new workplace. Second, talking by using data helps our audience to understand our work quickly and efficiently. Third, be prepared for instant challenges, which helps us stand out and show that we know what we are talking about.